Today we're going to take a look at D.R. Horton's neighborhood, the Greenbrier Preserve in Madison, Alabama. It's just located just a little bit south on Swancott Road of 565. So we're near the Polaris manufacturing plant. We are near the Target Distribution Center, not too far from the Huntsville Airport, Blue Origin, some other major employers. We're going to check out several different floor plans and several different price points today. We're going to see one of the absolute, probably the best amenities selection of any subdivision I've seen in a while here at the Greenbrier Preserve. And we're going to dip into some uncomfortable questions with some of the D.R. Horton reps, especially when it comes to their reputation and quality of build. Let's check it out. Today I am here with
Nikki Yankowski of D.R. Horton.
D.R. Horton. We are at the Greenbrier Preserve community on Swancott Road. And Nikki, one thing I've got to ask you, because I know I will get, and you've been in this business long enough and you've been doing content long enough, when somebody starts talking D.R. Horton, the internet trolls love to come out and talk about quality. So how do you respond to consumers who aren't a fan of D.R. Horton?
I do get this question sometimes, and yes, we do have the most negative reviews, but we also have the most positive reviews. We have the most reviews, period. We are the #1 builder in the country, so we build the most number of houses, and we have the greatest amount of feedback. I ask folks to look at our division. Of over 130 divisions for D.R. Horton National, we are #1 in surveys.
When you say your division, which division is
the
that?
The Huntsville division has, just last month, we had a 4.88 out of 5 on our surveys from actual homeowners who bought our homes.
There we go. So, perfect.
Thank you.
This was a quick look at the Greenbrier Preserve community by D.R. Horton, just south of 565 in Madison County. We took a look at several different floor plans and price points. So if you're looking for outstanding amenities, this is the spot for you. The pool, splash pad, playground, pickleball courts, cornhole, you name it, they've got it. It's a fantastic addition to this community. Easily located in between Decatur, Athens, Madison, and Huntsville. Easy access to 565. And who it may not be great for? If you're looking for Madison City Schools, this is not going to be your spot. This is zoned for Huntsville City Schools. So that could be an issue for people because that is going to be a longer drive to your school if you have school-age kids. But they are building an elementary school not too far from here the next couple of years, so that'll be an added bonus. But if you are potentially a homeschool group, this could be a great location. The clubhouse there by the pool, it's a great spot to meet, great place to have your classroom. So if you're interested in learning about this subdivision or many other subdivisions here in North Alabama, in the description below is a link for a free 15-minute consult. Click that, sign up. Look forward to talking to you soon.